Read, think, digest, and make it an integral part of your life. Welcome to my channel Pustak Parichay. Today I am going to tell you story from Sham's mother book. Escape to Pilgrimage. Sham was a very pious child. He wanted to go for a such pilgrimage to vie with others. Sham requested his mother, "Please, mother, let me go. I will not trouble others. Let me take a dip in Ganga. Do not you want your son to be a pure soul?" Mother said, "Sham, why are you desperate? When you grow up, go and visit. At this time, we are poor. Listening to your parents is your Ganga and Krishna." Sham said, "If you tell Tatya, he will take me without asking for money." "Why should he ask for money?" Mother replied, "I know. It is his generosity. Should we embarrass him? We should not be burdened on others. If you still want to go, go walking. Are you ready to walk such a long distance? Do you have the courage?" Mother, "I can walk for 6 miles. I get tired after that. I am not able to walk 40 to 50 miles. Sham said in worried voice. Next day, Sham kept his school bag in premises of school and went out of the gate. He was walking very fast. He reached the outskirts of village. The sun was burning. He was getting tired. He felt like crying. He was ashamed to go back home. If not, where he go? Where can he live? He walked toward the village. His feet were burning on the hot road. Suddenly, someone held his hand. "Where are you? We were searching for you." It was Sham's uncle. The previous day, his headmaster punished him for his bad handwriting. He thought that Sham was scared of getting punished again, and so he left the school. The real reason for his going away from his house was known to only three persons: Sham, his mother, and God. Sham was sleeping. His mother came and sat near his bed. She kept her hand on his forehead. With lot of affection, she questioned, "Sham, are you not feeling well? Do you have body ache? You never listened to me." Sham kept his head on the lap and started crying. "Mother, I am sorry. I did not listen to you. I wanted to go walking. I tried something which is beyond my capacity. Please do not be angry with your Sham. Your Sham is adamant and stubborn. He wants to do whatever comes to his mind. Please tell me that you are not angry with me. Please, mother." She moved her hand on his face and wiped his tears. "Sham, I am neither angry with you nor feeling bad that you tried to run away from the house. I felt sorry because I care for you." You are still a small boy. How you could face the situation? I was worried about that. Your reason behind leaving the house was not a bad one. I am proud of you, my son. You have to keep in mind what I say. Do not run away after stealing things. Do not run away because you are scared. And do not run away due to bad company. If you run away for the cause of God, please do it. I will not be angry. All the saints and great men did the same. From this story, we understand that we have to obey our parents. Their advice is good for betterment of our life. Thank you.